So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so super quick, simplified version of the Ben E. King classic Stand By Me. So we're going to be starting off on the low E string. We're going to play fret number 5 2 times, followed by 0, 4, 5, 5. Okay, from here we're going to play 5, 4, 2, 2, followed by 0, 2, 2. Okay, so let's just go through that one more time. So 5, 5, 0, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 2, 2, 0, 2, 2. And then we're going to go down to the D string. Okay, we're going to play 4, 2, 0, 0. Almost forgot that. Okay, that's on the D string. 4, 2, 0, 0. Then on the D string again, we're going to play 0, 4, 2, 2. Okay, that was 0, 4, 2, 2. So let's just do the D string one more time. We've got 4, 2, 0, 0. 0, 4, 2, 2. And then we're going to go back to the low E string and play 0, 4, 5, 5 again. And one more time. So all together, starting on the low E string, we've got onto the D string. Back onto the low E. And again. And then when it repeats, rather than starting on a 5, 5 again, you replace the 5, 5 every time it repeats with another 0, 4, 5, 5. Okay, so I'll just play it through now. And again. Cool. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, guys. Take care. Have fun. I'll see you again soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.